Sex is not real intimacy. Intimacy is into me, see. It is to hear into them, see into them, honor them, and the most important thing is to take their best interest as our own, and that is love. We can still have sex every day but yet still feel unsafe and unseen. Intimacy is for friendship too, when we can drop our glasses of ego and be there totally with every bit of our presence. Being intimate is hard because we hold on into our belief and make it our ultimate truth. When we are fixed with our belief, then it will be very hard to be intimate because there is no space for them in our heart. Being intimate is a practice and a gift for ourselves and others. It is only when we can be present with them real intimacy starts to bloom. We can be intimate with others after we are being intimate with ourselves, when we are present with our emotions. Once you taste real intimacy, you wouldn't want anything else. Intimacy is an active action of love.